Hello again, everybody. Paul Rogers, Renovation Real Estate, coming at you again. I'm in here in my office in the Brain Trust here, just clickety-clacking down the tracks. Hey, listen, today, I had some questions. Had some people ask me some questions about the renovation loan, the home purchase improvement loan, I like to call it. Do they have a maximum limit? And I'm going to answer that question in two ways, yes and no. All right, so depending upon where you live in the country, I'm coming from Washington State. So the way we're structured here in Washington State is that each county has what we refer to as loan limits, and those are FHA loan limits, conventional loan limits, VA loan limits. So what we're looking to do, if it's an FHA loan limit, depending on the county that you live in, there may be some restrictions about how much you can purchase and then put the renovation loan into that. So if we exceed the FHA loan limits as far as purchasing a piece of property, then your lender's probably going to move you up into a conventional loan. It's a little bit more down, typically 5, maybe even 10%. Again, that's a lender question. I really can't answer that. I've got some pretty good knowledge on it, but I don't want to give you the facts until we've actually talked to one of our loan officers that specializes in 203K renovations or Fannie Mae renovations. But there are loan limits, yes. And so it just depends on, first off, how much you're qualified for. We're going to find all that out up front. And then when we find a piece of property, how much improvement needs to go in it? Are we doing $10,000? Maybe new carpets, or we're doing $20,000, $25,000 for a new roof, etc. Or are we doing, a $200,000 project? You're doing an addition on the house, new master suite, and new 5-piece, bathroom. So those are all considerations that we have to think about when we're looking at this. What's the maximum loan limit? Well, we got county loan limits, and if we exceed those, then we can go into conventional. VA's an entirely different animal. So you give us a call. We'll put you in touch with the right loan officer, tell you a little bit more about VA. It's a great program. As a veteran, as I've said myself, in the United States Navy, I can talk to you a little bit. I've done them myself, but it's a little bit more here, a little bit more involved. And so you get a hold of me, and I'll get you a hold of one of my lenders that specialize in VA, and we can talk to you about that as well. So anyway, I hope that answers a few of the questions out there. Do they have any maximum loan limits? Yes and no. So it just kind of all depends on what we're looking at for county loan limits and how you are. And you may be watching me in another state besides Washington. I really hope you are. Maybe I'm giving you some good information here. You may want to reach out, email me, whatever, give me a ring. I can most certainly kind of give you some more information and help you out there. Anyway, thanks again for watching. If you like us, give us a thumbs up over there. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll be right back with some more information for you. Thanks again. Have a good day.